Hey artists, welcome to our fourth emphasis warm-up. So far we have drawn 3 faces this week and we've used different methods to create emphasis. We've used color, we've used isolation, and we've used size to all these things to draw our attention to one particular aspect of our character's face. And today we're going to use movement to show emphasis. And this is kind of interesting, really get a little bit cartoony here today. So I'm going to add another face right here. Let's walk through our steps. Draw a circle, add a square inside that circle that touches all 4 corners to the circle. Divide it in half. The height of one box we add for the chin, and then we can add the jawline. We want that chin to be centered in the middle, right? And then we've got that part of our face. Okay, so this middle line is the eyebrow line. Guys, have fun with this. Play around. Let's give our character today a little bit more slanted eyes. And I'm even going to give her an upturned nose, which is much more cartoony than what we've been doing. That's okay. That looks really weird. That did not work the way I wanted it to. Let's try again. Now, if you draw an upturned nose, the bottom of the nose obviously doesn't sit on this line, but we still... There we go, that's a little better. And the lips. We're even going to make her an elf, I think. And I think her chin's a little bit too low. So we're going to raise it up just a little bit there. Okay, so we haven't got to the movement yet. Don't worry. Remember, when you draw hair, it should be in sections. I think we're going to give her kind of a punky hairdo there. Okay, so movement. Let's give her a scar over her eye. Big nasty one. Now, movement is just whenever you imply some sort of motion into your artwork. Now, for the purposes of our drawing here, the movement is an implication of something that has slashed across her eye. And so the movement, even though the movement is past tense, it's something that's already happened, we still see it in our drawing. So it's kind of more like an implied movement. Let's even make her eyebrow Her eyebrow never grew back right there, poor thing. Maybe that's why she's frowning. Now I'm going to show you something here. That may be a bit of a revelation, but it shouldn't be surprising. So our elements of art, even though we've got this motion, if we use a combination of elements, or not elements, methods in creating emphasis, like color and movement, then it really creates an emphasis very strongly in our works of art. So I haven't just used movement here, I've used color as well. Oh, I forgot to put part of her hair in there. So we use both to create an even stronger sense of movement, or emphasis, sorry. So we are going to call this emphasis movement, even though we used technically movement and color. I just wanted you guys to see the possibilities are wide open with creating emphasis.